Hello everyone. Today we are again continuing the chapter number 4 of Honeysuckle book, that is An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. I am noticing that many students are not watching the videos which I am making for you and for your benefit. This is my request to all the students to watch the videos, to listen whatever I am speaking, so that you can understand well like you are understanding in the classrooms. So dear children, do watch the videos on YouTube. Now everyone open page number 47. Yesterday we have completed paragraph number 1 and 2, and today we are going to start paragraph number 3. So I am reading the paragraph. First I will read full paragraph that is given on page number 47 and 48. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal, Haryana, but was a naturalized US citizen, married to flight instructor Jane Perry Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders. She was also a certified flight instructor. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA. In 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So this was the paragraph of, that is 3 number. So in this paragraph it is given that Kalpana Chawla was born in Haryana in India, but she got citizenship of US after marrying a US citizen. That is, who was that person? He was Jane Perry Harrison. So what is the meaning of naturalized US citizen? You can see on the screen, it is displayed on your screen, citizenship through naturalization. Naturalization is the process by which US citizenship is granted to a foreign citizen or national after he or she fulfills the requirements established by Congress in the Immigration and Nationality Act INA. So in US it is required that if you are marrying a US citizen, then you become a naturalized US citizen. So she married to a flight instructor, Jane Perry Harrison. So Jane Perry Harrison was a flight instructor. He was instructing the students to fly a plane. So he was a flight instructor and his name was Jane Perry Harrison. Besides being an astronaut, she was licensed to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single-engine seaplanes and gliders. So beside an astronaut, Kalpana Chawla was having license to fly. What is the meaning of license? Whatever we are, like we are your father or your mother, if they are using a bike or a car, they have to take a license to ride the bike or to drive a car. Same way for aeroplanes, airplanes, gliders or seaplanes, everybody need to have a license for that, so that she or he got the training of flying the planes. So that is a license was needed. So she got license to fly single and multi-engine land airplanes, single engine seaplanes and gliders. What is the meaning of gliders? As you can see on the screen, a light aircraft that is designed to fly without using an engine. So it is a light aircraft that is designed to fly without using an engine. So these are the gliders which are displaying on your screen. and it is having it is designed to fly without using an engine. But in the airplanes and other aeroplanes, there are sometimes single engine or multi engine also. There are 2-3 engines also. So she was licensed, she was having the license to fly all these things. She was also a certified flight instructor, and she was also a certified flight instructor. She can give instructions to fly any airplane or gliders or anything to other students also. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana began to consider another challenge, applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. And after becoming a pilot, she wanted to go to another challenge, that is applying to NASA's Space Shuttle program. She wanted to go to space, and for that she has to apply. She was first hired as a research scientist at NASA, and NASA hired her as a research scientist also. And after that, in 1994, she was selected by NASA for training as an astronaut. So to become an astronaut, there is a training of 2 years. How many years? 2 years training, and it cost more than 42 lakhs per year. So NASA selected her for becoming an astronaut, and she got training for 2 years. And for that, the candidate must pass NASA's astronaut physical experiments also, physical examination and everything. The candidates should pass all these things. So this was the paragraph number 3. So you can see so many things, so many degrees she had, and so many other PhD in aeronautical engineering, and certified flight instructor, pilot, and also an astronaut. So Kalpana Chawla was a very intelligent lady who became an astronaut and gone for a mission.